Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how you can quickly make a 3D object get shattered or broken in Cinema 4D. So let's start by heading over to the main star of the video, which is this. Hold the left click button and then head over to Voronoi Fracture. This is the main star that will make this 3D object, that is the 3D logo of Tongtips, to be shattered or broken. Click here and then drag the extruded object into this Voronoi Fracture and then head over to sources and then click here and then increase the point amount so that there are more fragments that construct the logo, the 3D logo, just like this. The more the better though, but I'll set it to like 244 for example. And then right click on it and then click on connect objects and delete, just like this. And now let's say if we want to have a base underneath the 3D object, just like so. And then this will act as the base that the fragments of this broken 3D object will land on and bounce as well. So right click on the plane and then right click on the plane and then head over to simulation text and then click on collider so that the fragments collide with the base, which is this one. So let's head over to Voronoi Fracture, right click on it and then head over to simulation text and click on soft body so that the fragments will fall down onto the base. Let's make the softness less so that it will act as a rigid or hard body instead of a soft body. Set it to 0 just like this, and then if we play the animation, oh yeah, now the logo, the 3D logo, is shattered or broken. It's looking really awesome, isn't it? Alright, that's how you can make a 3D object get shattered or broken in Cinema 4D. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But from me, it's good day. Ciao!